What's the difference between these two sentences? That's right, the second one is a cleft sentence. If you can master these, you will sound much more like a native speaker. Okay, let's go. A cleft sentence takes a normal sentence, Sarah loves pizza, and shines a spotlight on the most important part. It's pizza that Sarah loves. While the meaning is still the same, we're now emphasizing pizza in particular. First, let's look at the it-cleft. Let's start with a simple sentence. I met Jack yesterday. First, we need to add it, then was. Then we need to add the part we want to emphasize. So let's take Jack. Jack was a person, so we need to use who. And then we add the rest of the sentence. I met yesterday. It was Jack who I met yesterday. We can also change it round. It was yesterday that I met Jack. Let's try another example. She bought the dress in Paris. If we want to emphasize the place, we can say, it was in Paris that she bought the dress. But if we want to emphasize what she bought, we can say, it was the dress that she bought in Paris. Easy. Next we have the what-cleft. Here, the emphasis is a little bit different because the most important part goes at the end. Let's have a look at our sentence. He wants a new bike. First, we need to add what he wants, and then we need is or was. And at the end is the most important part. What he wants is a new bike. Let's try another example. I need more practice. First, I add the what, then my subject and verb, then my verb is or was, and then the most important information. What I need is more practice. Both structures add emphasis, but the difference is where you put the emphasis. With an it-cleft, it's at the beginning. It was Jack who called. It was on Monday that we met. But with the what-cleft, it's at the end. What I need is more time. What she wants is a cup of tea. Okay, everyone, hope that was helpful. Leave me your comments below. I love to read them. Okay, bye-bye. Have a good day.